Where are you at?
Right here.
Where you at?
Right here.
But where are you?
And the doctor.
Why?
Because I need to get my nose better.
You need to get your nose better?
Yeah.
Is your throat hurting?
Yeah.
So you gotta get your throat better.
Yeah.
Is your ear hurting?
Ain't it a baby head?
Your ear a little bit hurt?